आप भी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सीख रही हैं तो आपने ये टॉपिक तो जरूर सर्च किया होगा, हाउ टू लर्न इंग्लिश अलोन एट होम। क्योंकि आज की इतनी फास्ट दुनिया में किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है कि कोचिंग्स ज्वाइन करें, कोर्सेज ज्वाइन करें, उनको पर्टिकुलर टाइम दे, देन प्रैक्टिस करें। So most of the people they search how to learn English alone at home. Like if they are housewife, they are student, they are studying, they want to learn. They want to learn beside of their study or their work. So this is the most searched topic कि घर में अकेले कैसे सीखें इंग्लिश। वेल आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ कुछ ऐसी टिप्स शेयर करने वाली हूँ जो मैंने अप्लाई करी जब मैंने इंग्लिश सीखी थी in my initial stage, and these all techniques so much helped me. So I really want to share with you. एंड आई रियली होप गाइस कि आप इनमें से कुछ जो टेक्निक्स हैं और जो ऑल टेक्निक्स हैं आप सभी को अप्लाई करेंगे एंड आप फाइंड आउट करेंगे विच वन इज वर्किंग फॉर यू वेरी वेल। ओके, so now without further delay, let's start the video. Now let's start by knowing some amazing tips. So the number one thing is that, which is extremely important, you need to enjoy the process, you need to enjoy the language, you need to show the interest. Like if you are saying some new idioms, some new vocabulary, anything new in English, you need to take it very lightly and very passionately to learn and to use that. So आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो लैंग्वेज है उसको प्यार शो करना है, लव शो करना है, देन ओनली यू कैन अट्रैक्ट दैट टूवर्ड्स। यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड दैट जो भी आप चाहते हैं डेफिनेटली वो एट द लास्ट आपके पास आ जाता है, यूनिवर्स। It is the universe that attracts whatever you think about. So if you think like I'm becoming fluent, I'm going to learn the language, and you have to believe in yourself, then definitely you are going to become fluent in English. First thing is that you're supposed to learn English. So the first thing is that you are supposed to love English. Show your love towards English language, how much passionate you are about English language. And the next thing is that, as you have already, I just believe you must have heard it. You must have heard it from so many people on social media that just use mirror talks, use mirror tactic. It is so much working. Literally, it worked a lot, very well. It worked very well for me. So use mirror tactic. Just stand in front of the mirror and speak whatever comes in your mind in English. Explain as much as you can in English. And mirror technique is very beneficial. So first thing you need to do, that is mirror talk. And another thing is also similar with the mirror talk. It is just talk to yourself. If you are spending time somewhere with the nature or anywhere alone, you are supposed to talk to yourself. You can talk to yourself simultaneously. You can also understand yourself if you're spending time with yourself. Now let's talk about the next activity which I did a lot, and it actually did miracles in my journey of learning English, and that is writing. I used to write some random things, but you can specify your topics, what you are supposed to write about. On regular basis, you can just make a list that at this day I'm going to write about this, at that day I will be writing on that topic. You can make a list, but I was writing randomly, and writing actually helped me so much to explain myself in English. So I could, like initially I could start speaking with the help of writing only. So you must take this activity in your learning journey. You must add this activity in your English learning journey. It will definitely help you so much. And the next thing that is so much important, and that is interaction with the people. You need to interact with different types of peoples. They can speak English, might be foreigners or Indians, but they are supposed to speak in English so that you can improve your English. Okay, so try to interact with different people who can help you to improve your English language. Well, when I was learning English, I have interacted with so many people, even foreigners. And that's just because of that, time I spent talking to foreigners, I'm able to understand different accents now. We are supposed to spend your time, so we are supposed to practice English with people who are learning English and who can speak English with you. Like this is something very practical that will help you quickly. That will help you so much to learn English quickly and to improve your English quickly. Well, these are the most important things which I did in my journey of learning English. If you're not following any one of these, I'm extremely sorry to say that, but you are not going to improve because these all are very important. These all are very important, and ultimately, these are the things which will help you to improve your English and become fluent speaker in English language. Well, if you have anything to ask me, you're free to leave your comment in the comment section and ask me whatever you want to ask. Well, this is all for today's video. I hope you like the video and as well as you are going to apply all the things which I have told you in the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let's meet you in the next amazing videos.